at Inside Self-Storage in Las Vegas. We're here to meet new customers and to talk about our services and products. It's great to meet new clients, old clients, walk around the show, talk to different vendors about industry and the industry standards and what's going on with self-storage. Good lighting is needed at every facility. It's for security purposes, to make the facility look better, make the customers feel more at ease. A well-lit facility makes more money. We had a lot of customers asking for more light, better controlled light, which is what we offer. We can do photometric layouts for the customers, show them what the light's going to look like, and then provide the lighting.
If they have outdated lighting, a lot of legislation is going into place that they're not going to be able to purchase any of that old, antiquated lighting systems. So they're going to have to upgrade to LED, and it's time. You get better light for a fraction of the wattage, thereby saving a lot of dollars on your energy bill.
We're quite different than most of the other people that are selling lighting to self-storage. We're a manufacturer that sells direct to the end user or their contractors. So we're cutting out at least 2 layers of cost, and the fact that we offer a 10-year warranty on almost all of our products. It's unheard of in the industry. We have longest life products in the industry, and that's backed up with our 10-year warranty.